Hey guys, Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to my channel. So guys, we will unbox them. Let's go, let's unbox. So guys, I unboxed it. So guys, I'm really sorry cause I did not record that time because that was a really hard time to open that. So that's why. So guys, I'm gonna just open this for you guys. Wait, let me have my scissors. Guys, we have done this. Oh, can we get out? Yeah, we can. We got Elsa here. Hi, Elsa. Say hi. 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 It's me, Elsa. Let's go. That should be here. Look at this. The sister love each other. Okay, but I'm really sorry they don't have any shoes though. Hi. Just tell the secret. Good. So, Elsa and Anna, what time is it? To say bye to our guys. It's okay. We will say them bye. So first, we have to